Today we are going to discuss about differentiation. First we can see what is the rules of differentiation. First one, derivative of a constant. If c is a constant, then d by dx of c equal to 0. That is derivative of constant equal to 0. Then next, if u is a differentiable function of x and c is a constant, then d by dx of cu equal c into du by dx. If u and v are differentiable functions of x, then d by dx of u plus v equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. That is the sum rule. In the place of the addition, it is the subtraction sign. D by dx of u minus v equal du by dx minus dv by dx. Next we can see what is product rule. D by dx of uv equal u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. That is the derivative of product of two functions equal first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. Next we can see what is quotient rule. D by dx of u by v equal v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole divided by v square. That is numerator by denominator form. So what is quotient rule? Denominator into, that is v, denominator into derivative of numerator, that is the du by dx. U is in the numerator. Derivative of numerator is du by dx minus numerator into, that is u into derivative of denominator. Denominator term is v, that is dv by dx whole divided by denominator square. Next we can see some standard derivatives. First one, d by dx of x raised to n equal n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of sin x equal cos x. D by dx of cos x equal minus sin x. Next derivative of tan x equal sec square x. Derivative of cot x equal minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x equal sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x equal minus cosec x cot x. And derivative of e raised to x equal e raised to x. Derivative of log x equal 1 by x. And derivative of x equal 1. Derivative of constant. If k is a constant, derivative of the constant become 0. D by dx of root x. Root x we can write it as x raised to half. Now it is in the form of x raised to n form. Instead of the n, here it is half. So we know that d by dx of x raised to n equal n into x power n minus 1. So instead of the n, here it is half. So half into x power n minus 1, that is half minus 1, that is minus half. By the laws of the exponents, if it is x raised to minus m equal to 1 by x raised to m. So x raised to minus half, we can write it as 1 by x raised to half. X raised to half means root x. So here 1 by 2 root x. So what is the derivative of root x become? 1 by 2 root x. In the problem we can apply this derivative of root x. It is 1 by 2 root x. Then what is the derivative of 1 by x? We can find it out. 1 by x can be written as x raised to minus 1. Here it is x power 1. If it comes in numerator, become x raised to minus 1. By using the laws of the exponents, 1 by x raised to m equal x raised to minus m. Likewise 1 by x equal x raised to minus 1. Here it is x power 1. So x power minus 1. Now it is a form of the x raised to n form. That is d by dx of x raised to n equal n into x power n minus 1. What is n here? Minus 1. So minus 1 x power minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 1, that is x power minus 2. So that is minus 1 by x square. The derivative of y equal f of x is denoted by dy by dx or y dash, or it is f dash or y1. These are the notations we are using for the derivative of y equal to f of x. That is dy by dx, y dash, y1, etc. If we use a function of x and c is a constant, the derivative of c into u, that is c is a constant. Constant we can take it outside. That is c into du by dx. First question, you can see, and we have to find the derivative of x square. It is the form of the x raised to n. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N into x power n minus 1. Here the instead of the n, here it is 2. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Second question, find the derivative of 5 cos x. Here 5 is a constant. So we can take that 5 outside, that is 5 into d by dx of cos x, that is derivative of cos minus sin x, that is minus 5 sin x. Next we can see what is third question, d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 7 sin x. It is given in the form that one term is x raised to 4. What is another term? 7 sin x. In between one sign, that is plus sign, is there. So one term plus another term. So it is the form of a sum ruled form. So we can find its derivative, means we have to find the derivative of x raised to 4 plus derivative of sin x. Derivative of x raised to 4 plus derivative of sin x. That is, what is the derivative of x raised to 4? It is the form of the x raised to n, that is n power n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of x raised to n equal n into x power n minus 1. Instead of that n, here is value 4. 4x cube. How you get cube 3 here? That is n minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 4x cube plus d by dx of 7 into sin x. 7 is a constant, so we can take it outside. 7 into d by dx of sin x. What is sin x derivative? Derivative of sin x is cos x. Then fourth question, derivative of x plus sin x plus 5 tan x. Here there are 3 terms in between sin plus sin. X one term plus sin x another term plus 5 tan x another term, that is a third term. So here for find the derivative means we have to find the derivative of each of the term. D by dx of x plus d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of 5 tan x. In between there are sin plus plus. So d by dx of x plus d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of 5 tan x. The derivative of x 1. The derivative of sin cos x. Here derivative of 5 tan x. 5 into tan x. 5 is a constant. What we will do? We have to take that 5 outside. So 5 into derivative of tan x. See here, d by dx of 5 tan x. 5 is a constant, so we can take it outside. So 5 into d by dx of tan x. What is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. So 5 sec square x. This is a form of the d by dx of c into f of x, where c is a constant. F of x means function of x. Instead of that function of x, here it comes the tan x. So c into d by dx of f of x. C is a constant, we can take it outside. Then you have to find the derivative of that function f of x. Next question. If y equal x cos x, find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal d by dx of, what is y here? X cos x. So instead of this y, we can write x cos x. X into cos x. In between here, there is no sign. Plus or minus, no sign is there. So it is the form of the product form. So we have to apply product rule. First term we can take it as first function, and second cos x is take it as second function. So what is product rule? Derivative of the product of two functions equal first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So here what is first? X, and second is cos x. Anyway we can choose the function first, either cos x as first and x as second. Anyway we can choose, answer is same for the product rule. So first function into derivative of second function is a cos x, plus second function is cos x. So second into derivative of first function is x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. What is the derivative of x? 1. So answer is x into minus sin x plus cos x into 1. That is minus x sin x plus cos x. Find the derivative of sec x using quotient rule. Here only one term sec x. How we can find the quotient rule? How we can find its derivative using quotient rule? That is the question. How we can find it? So we have to remember what is sec x, the function, trigonometric function sec x. Is it able to represent the form of a quotient form? We know that sec x equal 1 by cos x. Now it is the form 1 by cos x. Then we are able to apply the quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? Derivative of the quotient of two functions is, it is an easy way to can remember the word form. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So what is the numerator? 1. Denominator cos x. So denominator into derivative of numerator, cos x into derivative of 1. See here, cos x into derivative of 1 minus, that is the denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. What is the derivative of 1? We studied. What is the derivative of constant? 0. So what is the derivative of 1? 1 is a constant. What is the derivative of 1? It becomes 0. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. So cos x into derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x whole divided by cos x the whole square. See the results also here. Cos x into 0, that is 0. Minus into minus become plus sin x. Cos x into 0, 0. So 0 plus sin x, that is sin x divided by cos x the whole square. Cos x the whole square means cos x into cos x. So sin x divided by cos x into 1 by cos x. What is sin x by cos? Sin x by cos x, it is tan x. 1 by cos x, sec x. So we are finding the derivative of sec x using quotient rule. What we get here? Tan x into sec x or sec x into tan x. We already see the list of the standard derivative. What is that? The derivative of sec x. The derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. That is we got here. Next question, find dy by dx if y equal x cube tan x. How we can find it? Find out x cube tan x. How we can find out? X cube into tan x. That means in between there is no sign. Plus or minus sign not there. That means we have to find its derivative by using product rule, because it is given the form of the product rule. It is given the form of the product, so we can apply the product rule. In that way we can identify the question. In between there is no sign, plus sign or minus sign. So we are not able to split this two function. We are not able to split it as two function. It is the product of two functions. So we have to find its derivative using product rule, because in between there is no plus or minus sign here. So you have to find its derivative using product rule. This first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. First function is x cube, derivative of tan x 6 square x plus tan x into second function into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. X cube is in the form of x raised to n form. Applying this result, you will get 3x square. So x cube into 6 square x, derivative of tan is 6 square plus 3x into 3x square into tan x. Either you can stop here, the answer is correct, or you can beautifying in this way also. For 3x square into tan x, or here also you can write it as and stop here. Find the derivative of x square sin x. Here there is no plus sign, minus sign. It is given the form of the product form, x square into sin x. So we can apply the product rule. First function, that is x square. Second function sin x, that is first function into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x plus sin x into derivative of x square. It is in the form of x raised to n form. Applying that result, you will get the answer 2x. Derivative of x square become 2x. Then next question, find dy by dx if y equal e raised to x log x. So we can apply the product rule. Why we can apply the product rule? It is in the form of the product form, e raised to x into log x. So first function is e raised to x and the second function is log x. Either we can, if you want, you can choose log x also first and e raised to x as second. In the for find the derivative case, either e raised to x first or log x is first. There is no problem that. So first function into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. See the results. You have to study the results. So d by dx of log x equal 1 by x, and d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to x into 1 by x plus log x into e raised to x. E raised to x means the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to x by x plus e raised to x into log x. Find the derivative of cot x using quotient rule. How we can express the cot x in the quotient form? This is the cos x by sin x. So we have to find the derivative of cot x means derivative of cos x by sin x. Then we can apply the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Denominator into, starting with the denominator. What is the denominator term here? Sin x. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into, what is the numerator? Cos x. Numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So sin x into sin x, sin square, negative sign is here, minus sign, cos x into cos x, cos square x whole divided by sin x the whole square. Here it is negative sign, here also negative sign, both term has same sign. We can take that negative sign outside. So we can take the minus sign outside. So remaining, if you take the minus sign outside, become sin square. Sin square, here also we have taken the minus sign outside commonly, plus cos square x. So minus of sin square x plus cos square x whole divided by sin x the whole square. What is sin square x plus cos square x? By the trigonometric identity, you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is sin square x plus cos square x? Which is equal to 1. So minus 1. How we can get minus 1? Minus into sin square x plus cos square x is 1. That is minus into 1. That is minus 1 divided by sin x the whole square. So what we get here? Derivative of cot x, we can get it as minus 1 by sin x the whole square. What is sin x? Sin x become sin x the whole square. What is 1 by sin x? It is cosec x. So again we can simplify and write if you want in the standard result for the derivative of the cot x. If you want, you can again. But 1 by sin x is cosec x. So 1 by sin x whole square, that is 1 by sin square x, become cosec square x. So cot x equal to minus cosec square. If you want the answer in the standard form, you can again simplify this. 1 by sin x is cosec x. 1 by sin square become cosec square. 1 minus sin is here. Negative sign is already here. So minus cosec square x. Using quotient rule, find the derivative of tan x. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. That is cos x into derivative of sin x. How we can get this? By the quotient rule. That is denominator into derivative of numerator. That is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. Derivative of sin is cos. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Whole divided by cos x the whole square. So cos x into cos x. Cos square x minus into minus become plus. Sin x into sin x become sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x, which is equal to 1, divided by cos x the whole square. This 1 by cos x the whole square, which is equal to 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos is sec. So 1 by cos square is sec square. The derivative of tan x equal to sec square x. Next we can see the derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. D by dx of sin inverse x, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x equal minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x equal 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x equal minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of sec inverse x equal 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1. And d by dx of cosec inverse x equal minus 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1. Here we can see one question. If y equal e raised to x plus sin inverse x, find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal d by dx of, instead of this y, we can write e raised to x plus sin inverse x. One term plus another term. So we can apply the sine rule form. D by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of sin inverse x. Derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x. Derivative of sin inverse, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Next question. If y equal x cube plus 3 into tan inverse x, find dy by dx. That is dy by dx equal d by dx of, what is y? X cube plus 3 into tan inverse x. So x cube plus 3 we can consider as one term, tan inverse x as another term. So in between there is no sign here. One function or one term we can consider as x cube plus 3, another term we can consider as tan inverse x. So one term into another term, one function into another function. So we can apply the product rule. What is the product rule? First function into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So x cube plus 3 into derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square, plus tan inverse x into derivative of x cube plus 3. We have to find the derivative of here x cube plus 3. One term plus another term here. So by the sum rule, derivative of x cube plus derivative of 3. d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 3. In this part we have to apply the sum rule. So that is d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 3. So x cube plus 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into derivative of x cube. It is in the form of derivative of x raised to n. So we can apply that result. So you will get 3x square. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N into x power n minus 1. So by applying that you will get 3x square plus derivative of 3. 3 is a constant. What is the derivative of constant? It is 0. So plus 0. 3x square plus 0 means 3x square. So x cube plus 3 divided by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into 3x square.